The building just opposite to the left, opposite Canada House, or Canada House to the right, opposite the building opposite is the South African House, South African building. Okay.
ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಲಂಡನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾತಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಸೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ.
So we are driving straight here, but if you look to your right, you will see part of Big Ben. You can see that pyramid tower, the clock, and this is Big Ben. So driving towards the river, just a little bit further, we'll turn left and driving along the river. Looking right here, left, we'll see a pub called Sherlock Holmes. With Sherlock Holmes memorabilia, Northumberland Avenue is this.